with your arms, shoulder turns. Yeah, you did warm up for your legs, do it for your upper body as well. The third white line. Easy. Yes. Yeah. Not there. On your shoulder, please. On your shoulder, Shirley. Yes. So it's not like this. It's like this. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Yes. See, much better. Got it, Shirley. Come on. Oh, wow. Too much power. Come on. Yes. Yes. Shirley, right now I want you to change your swing a little bit. Okay? There's nothing wrong. Let me clear you that. There's nothing wrong. But the thing is, there is a difference when we start from here and when we start from here. Yes. So your racket, when you get ready, it goes here. Okay? Like I said, there's nothing wrong. But the thing is, we generate more power, more spin from here. Yes. Okay? See the difference. Come here. Come here. So there are two balls. Okay? So there are two balls. I push one ball like this. Okay? It's going. My leg is like powerful. It went there. Okay? But see the speed, how it went? It continues, but it was slow. Now, but watch this. Watch this. How it went? Within a second, it reached the fence, right? So, from here, when we go, our swing is incomplete. We have less power. See, that's why you have to, from here, when you swing, you go this way. Because you want to lift the ball up. Okay? So, that's why you have less power. Okay? So, yes, when you go, see, you have, if we compare from here, now from here. See the difference? I generate this much extra swing. What's that going to do? Help me with? Generate more spin, more power. Then I don't need to lift the ball that much high. Okay? So, yeah, instead of going here, just keep it in front and just turn. See? See, you didn't move your racket an inch. So, you understood? So, here I just turn this way. I don't have to move my racket. And from here, I can go drop, hit, and finish. Yes, that's the one. Okay, that's good, that's good. I'll give you only on the forehand. So be ready. Yes, yes, got it. Just turn. Perfect, Shirley. See, you didn't put power, but it got so much power. Turn. Got it. That's perfect. Yes. Go again. Yes. Go again. Perfect. Ready? Nice. Excellent, Shirley. Well done. Got it. Ready? Here. Perfect. Oh man, sorry. Easy. Take it. Yes. Ready? Go. Nice. Ready? Go. I like it, Shirley. Well done. Ready? Go. Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. That's very nice. You didn't drop it once. Good. Got it. Sorry, I'm missing. Okay, easy peasy. Yes. Yes, easy. Take turn. Got it. I like the swing. Yes. Perfect. Little bit up on the shoulder. No. Shirley, you got back to the same one. Here. Okay, Miss Shirley, let's go back onto the baseline, please. You're doing good. You need some water?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to feed the ball. Just turn, swing. Ready? And go. Perfect. Well done. Turn. Got it. Come on. Turn. Nice. I like that. Come on. Easy. Just turn and swing. Nice. Turn. Got it. Here you go. Another one. Got it? Got it? Yes, ball. Here, just turn. Oopsie daisy. Ready? Turn. Got it. Perfect. Good swing. Perfect. Good swing. Yeah. Swing is good, but got it. Don't run like that, ma'am. Got it. Yes. Here. Got it. Perfect, Shirley. Yes. Ah. Good. So powerful hits. Oi. Yes. Yes. अरे भगवान जी. Oh my God. Here. Take it, take it. Got it. Here. 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 The ball hurried onto you. Nice shot. Nice. Okay. Got it. Taken. Okay. Oh yes, good. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yes. Nice. Up, up. Got it. Got it. Come on, come on. Yes. Take turn. Go back, go back. You went too back. Hey, nahi, no. Awesome. Give me high five. You think?